Let's talk about cleansing your skin correctly when you're over 40. This is day 6 in our week-long Beauty Over 40 Refresh series. A lot of mistakes I see people making, which is just pissing off their skin, is how they're taking their makeup off. Let's start with what I call skin consent. Compress your face with a thick washcloth in very warm, not super hot water. This is gonna help soften your skin. And then I'm gonna place the compress over my face for 10 to 30 seconds. And I'm gonna repeat this a couple of times because I just like how good it feels. If you've ever heard of double cleansing, this is the process. First, you need something that is gonna help remove the makeup gently. This one is the Marula Hydrating Pre-Cleanser from Luxe, and it gently dissolves makeup and impurities without disrupting the skin's lipid barrier. In fact, it can help strengthen it and boost elasticity and firmness. I'm just gonna squeeze a couple pumps into my hand right here. It's much better than a water-based cleanser and remove things much more gently. People are far too rough on their skin from what I've seen. They're also not effectively removing the mascara and the eyeliner. That residue not only can make you look more tired, but it can add to irritation on your eyes. This is the unsexy part. I've got a stack of reusable cotton pads here, and I'm just very gently working the oil into the roots of the lash. You might need just a little bit more so the makeup just comes off so you're not tugging at that fragile skin near the eye or really anywhere else on your face. I'm gonna go back to the cloth, very gently work it around the face, and look how much is coming off. This is also gonna help you gently exfoliate your skin on a regular basis. Now that the pre-cleansing part is done, and my skin is still damp, I'm gonna go in with the Luxe Botanic Camu Brightening Cleanser. If you have a product that has really amazing ingredients, wash your face for at least a minute. Help those ingredients do what they're meant to do before you just splash it off and wash it into the drain. You are gonna see the results and you're gonna be like, oh, why wasn't I doing this before? It's getting sticky, so this is the time where I'm gonna rinse it off. Make sure you get all the way into your hairline, your jaw, down your neck. I'm gonna take a clean towel and you're just gonna pat the face. You don't want it to dry out completely. Just 3 drops. Get a more gentle cleanser if you can. It's really important. And I want to hear how it goes for you in the comments below. If you've got any questions, let me know. And also, if you've been following this series live, you can win one of the Marula Pre-Hydrating Cleansers from Luxe Botanics. I'm gonna put how to do that in the description below. And I will see you in our last video for day 7 tomorrow and on September 22nd for our live Q&A.